Is a day in mud and dirt. See this man how he works in his dirty shirt. Mud, mud, dirt. This job isn't popular anywhere because it's simply too dirty. The men and women are mostly around old 30. Too young men too stupid and too old men too broken. Their boss told them what to do. He has spoken. Oh yeah. They work for our prosperity and cleanliness, but they rarely encounter friendliness. The landfills are getting bigger and bigger, and some literally become a digger. Oh yeah. Muddy trucks, dirt is anywhere. Someone sucks the noise you hear. Muddy trucks, oh yeah. A day on the dump is a day in mud and dirt. See this man how he works in his dirty shirt. Mud, mud, dirt. Mud!